I'm back, guys. It's Zayden. I'm back. Just trying to make my video. I haven't made a video in a long time. I just watched. I started making a video film. I thought about it when I was going to school, but I thought about making just like a little video showing. I was sitting there and I started coughing because I'm sick. I thought I was coughing the rhymes, and I made a video. I didn't make a video. Well, I was talking about it, and I was talking about me a cough dance. Like, me coughing like I'm dancing. Like, you see that video? Was like, the people, they were shooting his arm and his arm was dancing. Like, something like that. Something awesome. And, yeah, I thought of it. So, hope you enjoyed. Just something that I threw together real quick. So, yeah, hope you enjoy. No.